Jambalaya is a dish loved by many, but today I might make some people mad. Let's make jambalaya with a crispy exterior but a flavorful interior. So today we'll see, will it fry? To get started, slice the andouille sausage, the chicken, then season the chicken with these ingredients: garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, a pinch of salt, some red chili flakes, and some Cajun seasonings. Make sure you get some gloves because it's going to get messy. In a pan, cook the sausage, remove, then cook the chicken. To make the holy trinity, chop up some onions, some garlic, some bell peppers, and some celery. In that same pan, add some butter, your holy trinity, then we're going to add some Worcestershire sauce, add tomato paste, give that a mix. Now add uncooked rice, some chicken broth, add your meat back in there, and let that cook until it's ready. That's how you make fire jambalaya. Now chill it for 1 hour and sprinkle with fresh Parmesan. I also added crawfish because why not? Form them into balls, coat with flour, egg, then breadcrumbs, then fry it until golden brown and crispy. Lastly, we need a sauce to make this feel like a Michelin star dish. So in a pan, we're going to shoot and mix a shot of butter. Now add some garlic and shallot. Season with paprika and Cajun seasoning, then squeeze some lemon juice. Now emulsify it into a blender with some heavy cream. And you're done. Plate it however you want. I try to be fancy with it, but top it with some parsley, some Parmesan, and enjoy. These caught me by surprise. I don't know why. It's fried jambalaya. Like, what could go wrong? That crispy exterior but that familiar taste of jambalaya pair perfectly with the sauce too. These are a 10 out of 10. Would fry again.